Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday 28th of January. Looking at cable, sterling is under pressure this morning. It seems as though obviously we're moving towards the 31st of January on Friday, which is Brexit Day. And also we've got the Bank of England meeting for January as well on Thursday, and the argument being, sort of on a 50-50 or a knife edge whether we're going to get a rate cut or not. So subsequently, we are actually seeing sterling just slipping back the past few sessions. But it just seems to be an interesting sort of wave of moves that we get. We see sterling falling and then rallying, falling away, rallying, falling away. It's now sort of linking. You can link these November lows, December lows, and January lows in a slightly upward sloping trend line, but equally you've got a slightly downward sloping move throughout January as well. So there's sort of lower highs but also higher lows. So it's sort of like a consolidation triangle, you could argue, as the market just sort of drifts in towards 30 big figure. And I think that's still going to be an area where 29.30 figure is going to be an area where the bulls are fairly happy to support, I think, on a medium-term basis, unless you get a rate cut, I think, this week, which, to be honest, I'm not expecting. And I think that subsequently that's going to be providing a basis of underlying support for sterling. So we've got this these momentum indicators which, aligned with these converging trend lines, are becoming increasingly neutralized. The RSI has been bottoming around sort of the 42, 43, 44 mark for a while. It's currently at 45. MACD lines bang on neutral. Stochastics also pretty much around that neutral point. Very slight negative bias, you could argue, on the stochastics and in there, but to be honest, RSI is not really doing a great deal, so you wouldn't really be putting your house either way. Here's the hourly chart. We can get rid of that trend line now. And what you do have is this just drift back towards 130 big figure, rebounding actually off that this morning. So there's a basis of support around that psychological level anyway, but a very slight negative bias through the hourly chart. RSI failing at 60, going back under 30, that sort of hints at a corrective move. And you can see that through the market falling away. But to be honest, until you get clarity on the Bank of England rates decision, I don't really see you're going to get a decisive trending move on cable. And it wouldn't surprise me to see, again, support starting to form around that 30 big figure area, that trend line, mini trend line, 29.90 at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.